All right, guys, so a lot of people have been asking us to do a comparison of normal strapping method versus our strapping method.
So keep an eye on the front wheel and notice how it actually rocks back and forth a little bit and how that part actually shakes. It was really surprising how, it was not surprising for me, I've done this before, but that only after a couple minutes of driving you have to go and retighten the straps because they get that loose. They really flex. Because they're a lighter gauge strap, they're moving so much with the suspension popping up and down and kind of, going back and forth with the bumps, that it's actually, they're actually settling in a little bit. The problem with this method is when you have the strap super tight, you're really putting a lot of extra stress on that suspension. You don't really have to do that.
All right, guys, so you can see that this actually, if I had more straps, I'd have put one on the front and put one on the back. But just from riding for 5 minutes, these straps are super loose now. They were tight. Look how much I can move the bike. I mean, if you were on a really bumpy road and you were bouncing around like this, I mean, it's not unrealistic to think that one of these straps is gonna pop off. The whole bike's gonna fall the other side. And then once you release the tension, all these straps could possibly come off. The bike has no connection to the trailer. There goes your bike. Let's see what it does with the two tank straps. We have two tank straps. Instead of bringing them the whole way here, we still need to. We bring them straight down here. We have two of them. Unlike the other ones, we don't have to adjust them after a couple miles. This will be as tight as they will be for the next 3,000 miles.
If you fix your eyes on the front wheel and the straps, you notice that they don't move at all. Now the actual bike will kind of float along with the suspension, which is real nice. It puts no extra stress on the suspension. You notice that also we use two straps, but it takes up way less space, so you can put more bikes on your trailer. We've been using these straps at my dealership for the past 2 years. We've probably transported hundreds of bikes, thousands of miles, never had any issues, never replaced a strap. We just keep on getting new ones because we keep on moving more bikes. I really get that peace of mind that my bike's gonna be fine. You strap it down once, you don't look at it again.
All right, guys, you guys just saw the comparison. We're done. These things did not budge a bit. You don't have to tighten them anymore. They are solid. And the best thing about it is you're not compressing the suspension. You saw the suspension just kind of rides along with the road, and it's very soft, but the parts that are actually connected and tied down, they don't budge at all. Let me give the same comparison I did. It's not moving. It's not bouncing around. Nothing's gonna come off. Nothing can come off. And let's say worst case scenario, some guy walks up here with a knife, slashes your strap. The bike's still not coming off the trailer. It's still gonna stay on here because this is an endless strap. It's not going anywhere. Nothing can unhook, unbuckle. And guys, you can buy these things. Click on the link below, either at bikesandbeardsgear.com or amazon.com. And it's the best way to secure your investment, your motorcycle. We'll see you guys later.